Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some professional high-res over-ear studio headphones. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're taking a closer look at the OneOdio Mono 60 professional studio headphones. And this is actually a new release from OneOdio, and these headphones are suitable for anybody who does anything audio-wise, you know, DJs or people who just listen to music on a daily basis. So there's a lot of different versatility with these exact pair of headphones. And with my demo, we are going to be doing a DJ test because I actually do DJ. I don't know if you guys know this, but I DJ. So we're going to be doing a DJ test with these headphones. We're going to, you know, kind of just test it out and see how they perform as a DJ and kind of just see how good it balances out the music and all that. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of professional high-res sound quality headphones. Product links, specifications, and details will be down below in the description for those who are interested in, you know, getting more technical stuff about these headphones, or if you're interested in buying this exact pair of headphones that we reviewed today, the link to actually purchase them will also be down below. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the overall packaging is very sophisticated. It's very subtle, but you guys can see they really went all out with the packaging. It makes it look really sleek and modern look like, you know, it just makes it look really presentable is what I'm trying to say. So what we're gonna do is actually move this over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. So on the front of the box, you guys can see it says OneOdio. We have a visual representation of the headphones themselves. It says high-res audio, and with my lighting, you guys can't actually see this text, but it just says Mono 60 and then also a description for these headphones. And let's take a look at the back side. So the back side, there's a longer list of specifications and details. So if you want to take a pause and look at that, you guys can do so. But what we're going to do now is actually proceed with the unboxing, and it's kind of like a box you kind of have to like shake open. So we're just going to shake it open and it should kind of slide out just like that. It's taking some time. There we go. Wow. OneOdio, the power of music. So let's take a look inside the packaging, and it's kind of like there's a nice little pull tab that we gotta like basically lift up. Wow. Talk about the unboxing experience so far. So obviously with this side, we have our headphones inside a nice little drawstring bag, and underneath this piece of cardboard here, we should have our different accessories. So let me open this up and you guys can see our accessories are actually inside these bags. So the first cable we have is actually a 6.35mm to 3.5mm audio jack cable, and look how big these coils are. Holy cow. And then we also get included, it looks like this is just a standard 3.5mm and 3.5mm audio jack, but what I like about this cable is it looks like there is a microphone, so you can actually plug and use a microphone with these headphones. So it's nice to see that they included, I should say, multiple different cables. And then also in this bag, this one's also just a standard 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio jack, and this one does not have a microphone. So now let me pull this out, and we actually get included with the user manual. So let me take this out, and inside this little pouch, we actually have our user manual. It's actually like a booklet, and it just explains to you all the different aspects and features that these headphones have. Let's take a look at the headphones themselves. So let's open up this drawstring bag. We're just gonna pull them out. So off the bat, these headphones are massive, okay? Look at that. Look how big these ear cuffs are, you know? And like I mentioned, they come with 50mm audio drivers that are actually inside of these headphones, so you're gonna get really loud quality music or sound through these headphones. And it looks like it has very good padding and maybe even memory foam like kind of material. So overall, my first impressions with the earmuffs are nice, and you guys can see it says L for our left side and our R for the right side. So it's easily, identifiable to know which side is which. And we actually get those indications over here as well. You guys can see L and R. But look at the design, look at that. Very nice. That is a very interesting design. You can even see the company's emblem, and it really gives off a very interesting appearance, especially with different lighting that you may be getting in different environments. On the top, we do get OneOdio imprinted on the top, but it's really subtle, so that's also very nice. Obviously right here, you guys can see you can extend it to your desired length and stop whenever you need to, and it's very tactile, which is good. You just simply get a 6.35mm audio port on this side and a 3.5mm audio jack on this side. So that's basically it for these headphones. It's very standard. It looks really nice and subtle. I love how big these earmuffs are, but obviously when we go over to the testing and demonstration of these headphones, we're going to actually test this out and actually see how effective these earmuffs are, especially with them being this massive. Alright, so this is going to be a very, very interesting video, because what we're going to do is, first off, we're going to utilize the cable that has the coil design, and I'm going to connect this to my phone. But before we actually go over to my phone and play some music though, why don't we just give a nice little test to see how these headphones feel. Yep, like I said, these headphones fit my ears. Like, my ears are not touching the outside of the earmuff. So my ears are able to actually fit inside the earmuffs themselves, which make for a more comfortable experience. And I believe they'd use some sort of memory foam, because it really feels really comfortable. There's a lot of cushioning, and I don't really feel uncomfortable wearing these headphones. When I shake, they're not going to come off, which is also a really good thing to see, because some headphones, they're very loose and easy to, kind of come off of people's heads. But with these headphones, yeah, they're not going to come off. So overall, so far, I like the fit. This is my right side, and then this is my left side. So overall, the design is nice, and the overall fit and feel is also very nice. So I have a song pulled up, and now what we're going to do is actually demonstrate and test out the song just to see how the headphones actually perform. So let me click on play. I'm going to gradually increase my volume all the way up to 100%, just to see how good this headphones actually perform. But so far, not bad. And this song's kind of more chill and slow pace, so it doesn't have a lot of bass, so I want to kind of hear the mids and the highs with the music. Okay, max volume. Wow. The music quality is really good with these headphones. Good balance and everything. Sounds really nice and clean. Very good. And let me give you guys a sound sample, so you guys can kind of give an experience of what I'm hearing. But the music quality sounds really, really surprisingly good with these headphones. They did a really good job with all the different aspects and things that they really did to construct these headphones, and overall, it pays off because the music quality actually sounds really decent. But I think you guys kind of get the point. Let's find another song to test this out. Let's find a better song that's more more groovy and more jumpy. Let's play this song. This song I know has a lot of bass and everything, so let's see how it performs with this song. Let me jump to the bass part real quick, because I want to hear how good the bass is with these headphones. I'm a bass head, so. But the music quality, very good. All right, this is the bass part right here. agree. Very good. You know, it doesn't drown out the music, but at the same time, there is emphasis to the bass, but it keeps a good balance with everything. So, very good, very good. I like it. All right, let me give you guys a sound sample. Very nice, honestly. I am very impressed with the audio that I'm getting with these headphones. Sounds really good, honestly. Very impressed, honestly. Not bad at all. And I think you guys kind of get the point. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is actually test out the microphone that's actually with this audio cable, just to see how the sound quality is if you were to capture your audio through the cable that they provided. So what we need to do is actually plug this in. We're gonna plug it in just like so. And now we'll plug the other end to this. And now I'm gonna put this back on, and basically I'm just gonna test out and see if it's gonna capture my voice substantially. There we go. And now I'm going to click on the record button. So right now it's capturing the audio from the microphone that's actually on board of this audio cable. How does it sound? Does it sound loud and clear? Can you hear a lot of the background noise, or does it actually do a good job of eliminating some of the background noise? You know, the great thing about having the microphone included with the packaging, I can use this for Zoom conferences. I can use it for different scenarios, like if I was playing games and stuff, I can utilize this microphone. And it's nice that the company has actually provided a microphone, because even though these headphones aren't wireless or have microphones built into them, they included a cable that you can utilize if you do need to use a microphone with these headphones. So it's really nice to see, and hopefully the sound quality is good. I'm going to put it up to my mouth. It's going to probably sound distorted now. But hopefully it's doing a good job of actually capturing my voice, and I'm going to listen to it and let you guys know how I feel about the sound quality. Okay, so I just listened to the audio that I recorded off of the microphones that are actually built on this audio cable, and it actually did a fantastic job. The sound quality was actually really loud and direct, and it's something that I could probably use for, like I said, Zoom conferences or playing games, and I wouldn't have any issues with people hearing me. If I have a DJ test, I'll actually include a clip of me just kind of messing with my DJ controller, where we kind of just see how these headphones perform in a DJ setup. Let's actually conduct a DJ test with the OneOdio Monoto 60 headphones. I'm just going to do a quick simple test with this DJ controller I have, and we're just going to test it out just so you guys can see a real life example of maybe if you were using this professionally, how would they actually perform. But let me get some music in the background. And basically, you know, with most DJs, what they do is they have another, you know, song that they're listening to with their headphones that the audience can actually hear. So right now, if I wanted to, you guys won't be able to hear this, but I'm able to hear another song through these headphones. So right now, I can hear another song because I'm actually queuing up that song. So I'm going to just kind of test it out with these headphones. Set a loop. And since these are also swivel cup, I can easily take them off at any given time. And you guys can see I can easily have them on my chest, not worrying about having to actually take them off. Or I can even do this. So right now I can actually hear one of these songs separately. I don't actually hear the blend that you guys hear. And I can even increase the audio, you know, the level of it, and it gets very loud and it doesn't sound distorted. Now we did that smooth transitioning. So yeah, that's the benefit of having professional, good sounding audio headphones when you DJ, because now, you know, that mix was, you know, very smooth, very transitional. Didn't hear any gaps with the music because I was able to actually listen to the next song that I was prepping up with these headphones. And the audio is actually pretty good, and I can put it up to my microphone real quick for you guys. You guys can see, it sounds really nice. So overall, if you want to use this professionally, you can, because these are actually designed for professional users like DJs or audio, you know, engineers and stuff like that. So if you want to use it to make music, this would definitely be a good pair of headphones to really get into that kind of field with. So I think you guys kind of get the point with my little demo. And right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the final opinions and remarks and end off this video. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about the OneOdio Monoto 60 headphones. Well, these headphones did fantastic. Look at like this. I love the overall design that they went with these headphones. The audio quality is very good. The sound quality was also very good. The microphone quality was very good. The overall texture and feel to these headphones was also very good. So overall, it's a very decent pair of headphones that is going to satisfy a lot of you guys. You know, it has all the different bells and whistles that many of you guys look for when you are purchasing headphones. But we are going to conclude the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Having questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in a pair of headphones. Also, if you're a business or a company wanting to potentially work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you're anybody who needs photo assistance with this product, you guys can do so by reaching me out through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details of all the things about this product will be down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're actually interested in buying this exact model that we reviewed today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making this episode, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.